How to duplicate a Discord server. Welcome to this tutorial on how to duplicate a Discord server. Whether you are setting up a new server or want to create a backup of an existing one, duplicating a Discord server can save you time and effort. Let's get started. By the way, I've now created my own Discord server for the editing community. Join now, the link is in the description, and become a part of your community. First, navigate to the server you want to duplicate and click on the server settings icon. Locate on the bottom left corner of the screen. Now go to the server template section and fill in the template title and template description fields. Click on the generate template button to start the duplication process. And the duplicate settings. You can customize the name, icon and region of the duplicate server. Once you have configured the duplication settings to your liking, click on the create button to create a duplicate server. And there you have it. You have successfully duplicated a Discord server. You can now make any additional changes or invite members to the duplicate server. Keep in mind that the duplicated server will have the same roles, channels and settings as the original server, but the members and messages will not be copied over. That's it, you have learned how to duplicate a Discord server. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.